Hi everyone, it's the 30th, and so it's time for a quick weekly update. So if you missed it from last week, we talked about Hacker Management Part 2, where I went over a lot of the team building aspects of everything. And we'll take a look at some previews of that right now. And it's usually on a 3, 4, or 5 to 1 ratio. So if you get one new person, you get 5 people's worth of work coming in with that person normally. But then there might be a change up in this little dance of where they might actually even go to another company there. So you can be proactive at understanding every single step of that life cycle. If you're getting bored, burned out, those types of things, speaking with your manager and making sure you have that open dialogue allows them to help you out in their transition and movement to the next best thing for you. So hopefully you enjoyed those clips. If you're interested in seeing the rest of the video, you can see the link below and follow that to see all of part 2 for Hacker Management. Part 3 will be on May 10th. This Thursday is Houston Hackers, and I'll be there helping talk with my other hacker friends about the DEF CON 26 badge and where we're going with that. So let's talk about some of the other interesting things that are going on. 2 Sigma is a hedge fund company that does really interesting work across the board. And one of the competitions they have is something called Halite 2. Offered many different programming languages to try to move ships around and kind of capture these planets and swarm ships around. Very interesting stuff. It was really fun to play around with it, mainly because I was able to apply a lot of the machine learning stuff. So for me, my algorithm that you can see kind of running right now is really just looking at how it can move ships to the best planet possible at the time. And then through many replays, I think hundreds of replays, it decided, hey, this is the best way to do it, and this is how I'm going to try to run these different things. And so one of the most innovative parts was seeing our Jumbus come out with this idea of, imagine it's a flat sheet of paper, and if it's something you want your ships to move towards, you push down on it, maybe a really big planet or something along those lines. And if you want to move away from something, kind of push up on it. So you have this kill almost, that you try to move your ships to the valley. So this is computationally quick, much faster than my solutions of trying to tell ships to go to the best place in the best path possible. And I think that's the innovation that was really fun about this competition, and why I think everyone should really be looking at this, and for the next time 2 Sigma puts out a competition like this. When companies do these types of things, I think it's really great because it brings out very interesting ideas and very interesting talent for this stuff. So that's it for this week, but hopefully I'll be able to get you a small sampling of the prototype for the DEF CON 26 badge out this week as soon as I get back from MacroFab. If you like this content, or if you want something else in particular that is itching on your brain, please put a comment or send me an email directly.